In this video, I am showing how to make small samosas at home. To make this dish, we need white flour, salt, water, black cumin seed, baking powder, small amount of olive oil or cow ghee. At first, I am taking small amount of white flour, adding small amount of table salt, black jeera, baking powder, and small amount of cooking oil. Now mixing it with my hands, pouring small amount of water, and mixing the white flour properly with the ingredients. As you can see, it is now almost ready. For making the potato, which we'll put inside the samosa, must be prepared well. To make the potato dish, after boiling the potato properly, smash the potato with onion, green chili, peanut, jeera, ginger paste, or any kind of other spice one like to add for giving the samosa an added taste. Now I am preparing the potatoes, which will be put inside the samosa. After boiling the potatoes, pouring small amount of cooking oil on the frying pan. After the oil is heated, I am heating small amount of cumin seed, onion, green chili, salt, peanut and ginger paste. After a few minutes of cooking, I am smashing the boiled potatoes and mixing it till all the ingredients are mixed properly. After the potato dish is ready, I am preparing the samosa. I am rolling it, giving a shape that of a flat disc, and cutting it to give a shape of a samosa. Now after giving it a shape, I am putting inside the cooked smashed potatoes. Now I am frying it in low steam till it get cooked from all side and turn brown reddish in color. If it is prepared properly, it can be extremely tasty to eat. Serve it hot. Homemade foods are always good for the entire family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.